Most people think that becoming an influencer is a way to escape 9 to 5, but looks like the opposite is happening right now. But as an influencer, you earn a lot of money. Why do you want to go back to 9 to 5? Well, let me explain. And before you say, oh, you don't have 100,000 subscribers, you barely get any views on your last few videos, but let me just say a couple of things. Because according to the definition, an influencer is an individual with a dedicated social media following and the power to sway the opinions, behaviors, or purchasing decisions of the audience due to the perceived authority, knowledge, or expertise. And yeah, according to this comment, I have done it. But beside the point, and although the top influencers are earning loads of money, for most influencers like me, I think it's called micro influencers, the story is a bit different. Imagine that you wake up one morning and you see this. No warning, just this. TikTok says you're out of the creator reward program, so no anymore. Or maybe you decide to make a video and you see this, a beautiful wake up morning call. And thanks to YouTube constantly changing their policies, I mean, sure, they're trying to make the platform better, but you can get community warnings out of nowhere. And even if you get these messages, appealing can get you nowhere because I tried twice and I heard cricket noises twice. But even if you manage to get sizable number of subscribers or followers or views per day, and you haven't gotten these unlucky moments, then congratulations, I envy you because this is something that very few people have managed to achieve. I cannot think of how to make this situation funnier, but that's okay. But you may tell me, hey, George, you have 61,000 subscribers on YouTube, 27,000 followers on TikTok. You're doing perfectly fine. You're earning thousands per month. Am I actually? Let's analyze everything. If you ask me how many views I get per month, I get roughly 85 million views per month on all platforms combined, like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube combined, which is about 2 to 3 million per day. But before you say, can you guess how much money I earn per day? Let me know down in the comment section because I can guarantee that you won't be able to guess how much I earn. I'll give you a few seconds to do this. Okay, what you wrote in a comment is completely wrong because I earn much less than $30 a day on average. And actually, to be more precise, it's much less than $30 a day. But I like to say 30 just to keep things a bit less dramatic. Let that sink in for a moment. And as an influencer, there are multiple ways of earning money, although all of them are oversaturated. Patreon, brand deals, selling courses, affiliation links, subscriptions, and many more. Oh, and AdSense, the most common one, which is about monetizing your videos on YouTube and any other platform. But there are simply too many of us out there. One person cannot join 10 Patreons. One person cannot buy 20 different courses from influencers from the same niche, like marketing, for example. You have to pick one or two if you have that much money. And brand deals, well, brands are already sending thousands of emails to multiple influencers to get the best ones to advertise the products. And most of these emails are actually automated. So you press on one click and boom, you email a bunch of influencers. So yeah, it's actually not easy. And although there are many more brands available out there who are willing to work with influencers, so there are many more influencers out there. And 10 years ago, if you were an influencer on a niche, there might be a few others doing that niche. The brand would have better ways of choosing which influencers to work with. But now, there are hundreds of other influencers in the same niche as you. Marketing for doctors, hundreds. Small restaurant businesses, hundreds. Tech influencers, like me in some way, thousands. Maybe tens of thousands, or actually I would say hundreds of thousands. Given that, brands have transitioned to sending automated emails to as many influencers as possible and then making a decision which influencers to work with. And that's not something that used to happen 8 years ago. I used to receive emails from brands and responding to them, they will respond back to me again. But now, if I reply to them, then out of 10, only one is going to come back to me and say, oh, hey, let's work together. Even though I would prefer them to be more personalized, sometimes you don't have a choice anymore. Because we used to say there's going to be one influencer who's better than you. Now, there are hundreds in your niche who are better than you. Yeah, you have to be a bit smart when it comes to negotiations. And you need to be more consistent than ever, like posting every single day, for example. For example, 2 weeks ago, I started the 365 Project Challenge, where I post one video per day for 365 days, aka 1 year. And spoiler alert, this is the 15th video of the 365 Project Challenge. And speaking of that, these are the results so far. Yeah, none of my videos in the last 2 weeks have broken 1,000 views. Not the best results for someone getting about 2 to 3 million views per day from shorts. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook combined together. And now you're gonna ask me, well, George, if it's so bad, if it's so horrible, if you keep complaining, then why do you keep doing this? What's the whole point of you keep doing this? I'm gonna tell you something. To me, happiness is when I see other people being happy. It could be me doing a good gesture, or could be me making something funny or doing something funny, and then you guys laugh. And me providing you some help, and then you being thankful and you appreciate the fact that I gave you help. And for my videos, I say this roughly every single day. Like comments like these and these and these is nearly a daily occurrence. And every single morning I wake up and I read your beautiful comments. Makes me happy, makes me get off the bed and just do content. My ultimate priority is to make the best videos possible and for you to enjoy them. But regarding the low views in long form videos, don't worry about it because we will solve it. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Subscribe.